This is Garbanzo beans. This is chickpea. Look at it. Whipped cream. Is that not amazing? Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Today is chickpeas day. And it's also known as Garbanzo beans. Okay. So what I did, I soaked it overnight. Look at it, soaked it overnight. And then after that, you rinse it out. So I just cooked it in the stove. This is it. So as soon as it's cooked, you see it has the water. This is still not thick enough. The water is still very, very light. So I'm going to let it cook down until the water is almost slimy, almost like egg white. So I let it cook down, still cooking. So I pour the chickpeas in here. Let me take this off. Pour the chickpeas in here and look at the water. You see, you see how thick it looks like, almost like egg white actually. So this is what you get. Is quite thick. Yeah. So I put it in here. I zip it out and let it stay. Like it's going to take maybe about 30 minutes for all the water to come out. Just let it cool and sit down, take its time, you know, and don't disturb it. After when you know that everything has gone down from the water, what I did, I poured the water into the ice tray, and I froze it because I might not be able to use all the water I retrieved from the chickpeas because I made a lot of batches. So now that I removed it, then I melted it. I let it melt again before I go, and then we're making, guess what? Oh my goodness, did I not tell you what we're making today? We're making whipped cream. Vegan whipped cream, yes, it's possible. You don't have to get the animal milk to get your whipped cream, especially on Valentine's Day. Oh la la, let's celebrate Valentine's Day a la vegan. Okay, so guys, let's go. I'm gonna go and then whip it, so we'll see. That's the next stage. So see you guys soon. So this is the so-called agua faba. Out after we have cooked the chickpeas, and we let it thicken up in the fire until it's almost like very, very luscious, almost like egg white, like almost a bit gooey. Like that's how thick, so that you can get it. So I froze it as I told you. So I just let it melt a little bit. So I'm gonna put it now in the machine, and let the machine do the work. I'm not doing no work today. Yay! Today's Auntie's free day. Auntie's doing no work today. Yeah, the machine is doing the work for us. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. So the good thing about this is that the good going to be very strong. Okay, look at it. What is going on right now? It's amazing. It's coming up. So you watch it. While the camera is still watching, I'm going to go and get a vanilla and powder and powder sugar. That's what we're going to put. That's going to give you. Guys, as you can see, it's already coming to a soft peak. Let me turn on the machine. Let me show you how peak. Guys, we are almost there. I want to see how far we are coming. Like I said, it doesn't go bad, so I can keep on beating for the next 1 hour if I want to. Then we are not, because we want the dessert. So right now you can see it's on it's on soft peak now. Whipped cream, perfect, and it tastes delicious. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep on beating because I want it to be stronger. Let's keep on. That's up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go, go. Amazing. Oh my God, this is so much fun. This is like, wow, science in action. Okay guys, we're still here. So this has been beaten up for about 20 minutes. So yeah, now we've gotten it. Look at it. This is Garbanzo beans. Look at it. Whipped cream. Is that not amazing? It's not even coming down. Wow. Please. It's not going anywhere. It's not amazing. Use it to frost your cake. But right now, I just want to arrange the fruits. Frutas. I have a lot of berries here. So you can do whatever you like. This is just my own way, okay? You could arrange it anyhow way you like it. I put one. Ooh, see, sinking in. And I just like can take your carrots and just dip it in it. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Cheese Bisbalt. Delicious.